Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Recorder app and choose Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on Standard right away and tap on one of those modes: Standard, Meeting or Interview. If you want to start your recording, click on this red button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left button, and if you want to add a photo one, click on the right one. Now take a picture and discard it by choosing this X, or save it by tapping on the check mark. If you wish to discard your recording right away, click on this left button at the top left corner and choose Leave and Delete Recording. In order to end it and save it though, click on this top right one, name it however you wish to, and hit Save in the pop-up. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. In order to listen to it, click on it. You can pause it. If you wish to adjust it, tap on one of those options and do wherever you wish to. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to hold it, select Delete at the bottom left corner and right, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose Settings and manage all of them as well, like recording file format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!